Hey there, Tad Hargrave from Marketing for Hippies, just walking home from the Irish Times in Victoria. And so tonight's video is about what spells are you here to break? This is another way of looking at point of view marketing. So one of the ways to understand why your clients are struggling, why they can't seem to get from island A to island B to get from the problem they have to the result they want, is there's something they can't see. There's a blind spot. Yeah. There are spells that they're under. Now that could be the spell, I'm not enough. That could be the spell, I'm unlovable. That could be the spell that if you ask people for money, it makes you bad, or if you have money, you're bad. It could be the spell that you can't, marketing is bad, is a spell I certainly try to break. Could be so many different things. Other people's needs always matter more than mine. Conflict is bad. There's a lot of spells that we're under. Now those are all spells that are a little simplistic. This is good, this is bad. But one of my dear friend's colleagues, Garlic in Victoria, herbalist, this spell of we trust, why do we trust industrial medicine but we don't trust nature and plants? There's a spell. I might call it the spell of industry. Trust industry but fear nature. That's a spell. There's the spell of time. Linear time. There's a spell, or some people would say anyways, there's the spell of materialism, the spell of essentialism, the spell of the inevitable. Oh, I'll see you again someday. You're so sure about that. So there's a lot of spells that we're under, and depending on the time and the place that you find yourself in. And my guess is in your work, you've become aware of some of these. You've started to trace them. And so much of your work is about helping people to see these spells, to identify them, and to break those spells. So that would be my question for you. What are the spells that you feel like you're here to break? Maybe you were born in this place at this time, a time that is almost everywhere around the world. Certainly the spells of the modern world have sunk their claws in. And maybe part of the reason we're here is to break some of those spells, and probably different for you in the corner of the world you're in, depending on when you're watching this. So I'd be curious, I'd love to hear below in the comments what spells you're here to break. And that constellation of spells that you're here to break, this is stuff you can talk about in your marketing. This is stuff you can talk about in your videos. Write blog posts about this, can be in your sales letters. This is very compelling core point of view stuff. Because people wonder, why can't I get the princess? Well, because you're a frog. What? May not even know they were turned into a frog. Anyways, hopefully you get the idea. So that's it for today. It's Tad from Marketing for Hippies signing off. If you want to subscribe, you can do that. marketingforhippies.com, that's my website. You can follow me on Facebook. And please share this video if you enjoy it. Thanks so much.